It's Kirsten. Today I have another Stitch Fix unboxing for you guys. If you're not familiar with Stitch Fix, click on my link below. It'll give you all the information. You can get your first fix free and $25 towards your first fix if you use my referral code down below. So get to it. It's awesome. I love Stitch Fix. My channel is majority Stitch Fix unboxings with an Amazon Prime or a few other unboxings here and there. So if you like these kind of videos, keep on watching. Okay, so in the box you get your items, and I got an extra item here, which is one of the extras, and you get your return bag as well as your style card and then your price sheet. So I'm going to open the price sheet. We're going to do those last. We're going to go through the items, and on the side, on the try-on, you'll see different the items and the prices in the description. So if you like anything, you can ask your stylist. So let's get into the extra item. So the first item I already got one of these. I got it in cream, which I'm actually wearing it now. Super cute. It's Free People. It is a little bra here, and it is the Free People Galloon Racerback in black, size medium. So this is super nice. I love this. The one I wear is super comfortable, and that's $20. So we'll definitely probably be keeping that. And then let's get into the bundle here. Okay, the first item is this really cute sweater. It's like a tan color. It looks longer, a little bit of a high-low. Here is the stitching. I do like this a lot. Rounded neck, and it is a little bit longer. I do like this a lot. So this is the Pink Clover Nicole textured pullover in beige, size extra small. Wow, that is very soft and really nice. So we'll see how much that is. Okay, next item we have here is a black top, and it is kind of a dressier top. It has some texture in the front and see-through sleeves, and then on the back it does have a zipper. So this was something, you know, a little bit more dressy, not something I would wear all the time, but let's see what it is. It is the Market and Spruce Hanes crochet front top, black, size extra small. So that's that. Next top we have here is a color I would probably not choose. So it is a orange top, and it's different. I mean, here's the texture and the pattern. It's different. It's not something I would go for. This is the Magnolia Grace Callahan button detail top in mustard, size extra small. It does have some buttons in the front, so it is nice. Next, it looks like we have here is a pair of leggings. They are extremely soft, and it says ventilation, breathable fabric, stretch with moves, reflective, easily seen for safety, thumb holes. I'm not sure what that means. So this is just, so the check marks are stretch, moves with you, and wicking, pulls moisture. So I wonder if you can see through these. Like, I love Fabletics, though I don't think you can with these. So these are nice. They're just a pair of black leggings, which I do love. We'll see if these fit me well, and the price, I probably will keep them because I love black leggings. These are the T4T Monica high-rise leggings. They are super cute. I do like these. And then last but not least is a pair of jeans, and they're size 25 from Cosmic Blue. I do wear a 24, but we will see how these fit. These look like they're a little bit baggy, and they do have some distress thing on them, as well as a cuff at the bottom. And these are Cosmic Blue Love Adriana Distressed Boyfriend Jeans in light blue, size 0. All right, so stay tuned. I'm gonna try everything on, and then we'll come back with final thoughts. Okay, first item we have is this top. I don't really like it. It sits really weird on me, and it just, I'm not into the the fabric here. It's just not my style. It's not something I would wear on a daily basis. I don't really have to wear anything super fancy to work, but this would be to like a show or something like that, or a trade show or a conference. But I don't know. Here's the zipper in the back. I didn't really zipper it because it would be hard for me to undo. But the sleeves are really cute, I think, and nice. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Okay, next we have, let me get a little bit crooked here, is the jeans. They are really comfortable, but they are really big. They're falling down and they're big in the legs. Yeah, I mean, they are comfortable. I do like this brand, but I need a smaller size, unfortunately. So yeah, let me get your guys' thoughts. I do like this wash though. See how it is? Like, it's supposed to be at my knees here, but I'm so short that it just droops down, and it's like baggy right here. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Okay, next is the top. Let me bring you up a little bit. So here it is. I'm not a big fan of it. It's just really not my style, but it is really soft. You can see there is some buttons here, and it's just a regular top. I mean, it would be cute, maybe tucked in with some white jeans or some jean shorts, but unfortunately this just isn't my style in tops. Okay, the next outfit, I love this top. I do love this a lot. I will definitely get it if the price is right. Here is the material. I love the color. It is adorable. It's a little bit longer, and I do like it a lot with maybe like a white shirt underneath. Super cute. Love it. Let me know what you guys think. But here is the material. Okay, last but not least is the leggings. These are awesome. I confirm that you can't see through them when you bend over. They are amazing feel, comfortable. I do like these a lot, and I am 5'4", and they fit amazing right to my ankle. And they are high-waisted up to my belly button, and they are definitely a keeper if they are pretty cheap. So I'm gonna get back to you guys and let you guys know my final thoughts. Here is the outfit. I do love this. Hey guys, so I'm back. I'm gonna give you my final thoughts. If you like this top, I got this at Madison Mallory online. I will link their online store below. They are awesome. They do also have a Facebook page, and they are amazing. And they do have a YouTube channel as well. Awesome stuff, great prices, super cute. This top is so awesome. It's kind of like a dolman sleeve. Love it. So let's get into the items and the prices. So this racerback bralette is $20, so most likely going to keep that. Let's go over the items that I'm not going to keep. So this black top by Market and Spruce right here, it's not really my like style, so that is $58, so I'm gonna pass on that. Next item are the jeans. They just don't fit me at all, and I do love all the jeans from Stitch Fix that I get, but these are just a tad bit too big. These are $88, so I'm gonna pass on those. That's kind of pricey, but it's Stitch Fix. So next is this top from Magnolia Grace, and that is $54. I'm gonna pass on that. And the two items that I am going to keep are the black leggings and the pink clover sweater, which I thought they were super cute and definitely my style. So the total for the box is $228, and there is, I'm sorry, $278. Buy all 5 discount is $69.50 plus the $20 for the bralette, which comes to $228.50. So this was a little bit pricier, this box. but I did enjoy the leggings and the sweater, and I'm going to keep those 2 items. So don't forget to click on that referral link to get your first box for free plus a $25 credit. You can't beat it. If you did that, you would only pay like $9 for these leggings. So totally awesome. And thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe if you're new here. Please come back and check out my next videos. Bye bye.